Hello mga kaagar. Ito yung kaibigan natin dito sa Malaysia na nasa ilalim ng palm plantation. So mga kaibigan natin na mayroong palm plantation natin dyan sa Mindanao. So habang naghihintay ng harvest ng ating palm oil, meron din tayong agar. So doble intercropping. So mag-intercrop tayo ng mga agar wood. So Tuan, how many hectares this one you have?
This one is only around 2 hectares.
2 hectares.
The other side I have another 3 hectares, I think.
Then how many kalapa sawit of palm oil in the 2 hectare you have?
Oh, now this whole thing we only have 222 trees, 222 palm oil.
And the agar?
Agar wood at least 1,000 over, because you see the distance. Here one row gets about 125.
And this is a 16 years old agar tree.
No, this one is 7 years old.
7 years old.
5 to 7, I don't know, but this one is around 17 years old.
17 years old yan kalaki.
Now we see 17 years old.
And you only plant how many agarwood here? The kind of agarwood?
Here is sinensis mostly lah. Because
The other one?
The other one all sinensis. We believe in sinensis because sinensis come from the Kinam family in China. So the Hainang area, this the traditional Hainang area, they grow all these sinensis only. No Krishna or because we know that the Kinam family comes from the sinensis. From the sinensis. So no other, because China only sinensis. When you go to China and research in from the university anywhere, all sinensis.
No other variety.
Sinensis mutate, and then some take to China, Thailand, some take to Cambodia. They become mixed, mutated, and they become what do you call Krishna, sub-integra, you all the kind of name. Actually, there's only one sinensis. So the Indian side they call Agalocha. But Agalocha also is planted in heaven called Devaloka. Devaloka got one tree named Agalochun. It's taken from the earth by Lord Krishna. He took it and he planted it in the
Heaven.
world, in another world. But the name is Agalochun.
So our Agar Wood Care Philippines president is with us, Kuya Chris Albero, one of the famous agar wood enthusiasts in Philippines. What can you say, Kuya Chris, with regards with our friends' technique on intercropping with agar wood and palm oil? What can you say?
Go together.
Now, mga kaagar, ang masasabi ko lang, walang problema pag magtatanim ka sa ilalim ng plantation ng palm oil. Dahil kung makikita nyo mga kaagar, ito ay aktual na ebidensya na talagang
Pwede siya.
pwede tayong magtanim. Ito yung totoong may-ari ng plantation na pakita nyo naman, nasa ilalim ng plantation. Sabi niya, kailangan kang kumita ng pera. Kaya kailangan mong mag-intercrop ng mga highly value crop na mga tanim like agar wood. So yung tanim niya dito mga kaagar ay sinensis. But sa ngayon, nag-observe tayo sa mga technique na pwede nating i-apply sa ating plantation sa Pilipinas. Kaya kung ano yung maganda, select natin.
So and also Tuan, some other agar wood plantation possible they have also intercrop with other fruit trees, like rambutan, this rubber tree, longkong, and musangking, like this,
Can you give a message from our Filipino farmers?
Yeah, can you give a message to the Filipino farmers on do intercropping?
So the best is to, if you want money fast, you put the palm oil trees. Then between 3 years you will get the harvest. So you get the harvest. Then this agar wood is very slow. You have to wait for a number of years Then if you between this I harvest every month harvest I get good money. So I don't wait for the tree to be harvested also never mind. Because I got already income.
Yeah.
So I don't have problem. So what is the best thing your farmer will do? Make full use of the land, convert it into oil palm like this, and then you get the sapling where almost at the same time, almost at the same time when they are growing together, let them grow together. That means you have 1 year old sapling, and then you have already planted because this one planted under 18 months. When they sapling to 18 months, they will plant in. So what you do, you have over a year plus, you also plant in. So it grow together. You see, it grow together, no problem.
Okay.
But it cannot be already grown and you plant. You cannot because the
No more sunlight.
Sunlight not enough.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
food resources not enough.
So sabay good day.
You can also plant what my other friend there do, banana. They are doing very successful banana planting. there.
Banana together with agarwood.
No, banana with oil palm. First banana with oil palm. Then after that, they will, if they want to plant agarwood, they plant agarwood. If not, just leave it like that. So depend what you want. You want fast money, just plant oil palm.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.